Welcome to the channel. Today I have Ford Fiesta 2013 model, 1.25 liter small engine. However, engine management on, vehicle running little bit rough. This is the behind from the car. You can see little bit smoke coming. See? And little bit vibration. Running rough. I got the faulty codes. It's talk about the cylinder number 3 misfire. Basically, I'm going to show you what we can do as a first step. Like this faulty code, if you get it like this faulty code, this is the thing we need to do it. Basically, I'm going to do ignition coil pack, all 4 leads and 4 plugs. Stay with me, take a good idea. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Make sure when you're going to change the coil pack, make sure this order. This is for the cylinder number 1, this one going to the cylinder number 4, 3, and this one cylinder number 2. If you're not sure, better to use Tipex like this. This car cylinder number started from timing belt side. This the 1, 2, 3, this one 4. 1, 2, oh I can put here 2, 1, 3 and 4. I leave it as it is. After that, need to lift up each coil leads. Right, all 4 leads, leave it out of the way. Then after that, I'm going to remove all spark plugs, because problem cylinder number 3 somewhere maybe plugs, could be the leads, could be coil pack, I don't know. Because of that, I'm going to change everything in once. As usual, plug won't come out. You can use magnetic like this, or you can use long nose plier. We'll see what happened to the magnetic. Yeah, it's come out nicely. No one touch this plugs very long time. All dust build up here, see. Anyway, I'm going to change it. This is the number 1. And also another small tip, when you take out this one, I'm advised to do the replacement same time, because I see some people remove this one, this one, this one, this one, all 4 cylinders open. If mistakenly something you dropped here, it's straightly into the engine. That's mean additional problem. Because of that, whatever you take it out, replace first, then the less hassle. This the new plugs, NGK, good brand. Old one also you can see as it is, it's NGK, same brand. Next step, need to take out one and compare old one and new one, same size. Yeah, same size. This one also NGKR, this one also. See the NGKR here, both same. Make sure when you're going to install the plugs, thread need to be go in nice and smoothly. If it feel into your hand it's tight, stop the job, remove the plug and start from beginning. Because I know many people, we can't see inside what happened, but I can feel what happened inside for the fingers. If you feeling this plug going tight, stop the job, remove the plug, start from the beginning. Otherwise you ending with wrong thread. Okay, done the number 1. Now I'm going to move to number 2. This is the problem one. When I compare with cylinder number 2 plug and the 3 plugs, you can see cylinder number 2 burning marks there, and I feel it's work as should be. But when I go to the cylinder number 3, you can see tip very shiny. See, it's very shiny. I feel that leads or something, or this spark plugs not working well. that tip bit black, that means this plug worked properly. Right, I'll change all 4 plugs. After that I'm going to move to the coil pack. This is the new coil pack, Del P1, good one. It's come with 4 screws. Before install, make sure there is a 3 pin inside. You have to check with the old one has a 3 pin or 4 pin. I can see from outside there is a 3 wires. It means 3 pin one. That's the correct one. Yeah, size wise correct. I'll leave it as it is here. It is the leads. This one also the Cambria good quality parts I'm using many years. This is the new set of leads. Next step, I need to remove 4 screws holding 1, 2, 3, and I can't see the 4th one. Yeah, I can see only 3 screws here, the 4th one, inside one missing. However, I'm going to remove. Right. Next step, I'm going to disconnect this clip from the coil pack, but make sure all leads leave it as it is. There is a tab behind the connector. You need to press and pull, it will come out. See, this tab need to press, then after that just pull, it will come out. Right, I mentioned earlier there is a 3 pin, exactly the right 3 pin. Then I'll leave it this one as it is in here. Right, next step, I'm going to install this one. You can see all pinhole little bit rusted. Because of that, I'm going to use it white grease or like a silicone grease, whatever here. clear grease. I'm going to connect the electric connector first. Right, it's nice and in. After that, going to install 4 screws. Because some reason the 4th one, it's won't there before also, this one won't go in. I'm going to remove other things and have a look what happened to that hole. Could be the previous screw snapped there. Lift up this one little bit more. Here I can see inside the old one snapped there. Then I had to go with the 3 screws. It doesn't matter, it's doing the job. If it's missing 1 or 2, doesn't matter, it's holding nicely, that's it. End of the day, if it's holding properly without moving, it's okay. Right, all nice and tight. Next step, I'm going to leave it here and I'm going to follow the old diagram with the leads. And also I'll leave it like that here. This the sizes. This the 3rd one, and also slightly longer than the first one. This is the longer one, 2nd longer one, 3rd short one. Then I'm going to take the longer one. Longer one is the longer one. It's going to cylinder number 1. See, start from here, right? This is from here, and make sure it's all clip in nicely. When you do the job, you can feel to your finger it's in nicely. Then after that, this one going to see here. This is the one. See, this is the long one, right? Yeah, same way I'll fix here and there. I done the number 1, then the 2nd one here. This one going to straightly number 4. This one to here. That means that I need to find out short one. This is the shortest one I has. Then I'm going to this one put it like here. Make sure it's all the way in properly. See, this leads little bit sit on side. Make sure bring it middle, and after that right, and make sure all the way in, and this one going to the number 4. Right, it's fine. And after that, number 1 done, the number 4, this is number 3. That's mean number 3, start it from front connector to number 3. Next short one, and going to clip this one, and it's all the way come to number 3. Number 3. This is number 3. Right. This is the last one. You can see all the way coming to number 2. This is the last one left with me. Right. Plug in here, and it's coming behind this way and going to the number 2. Right. After that, make sure all leads, I'm taking the connector from the old one. After that, need to install here. First line, second line, third line, and the 4th line. And after that, I can close the connector. Right, it's locked. Then after that, this connector going through the here, this one through here, this one through there, and this connector going through there. Right. Engine bay job done. Now I'm tidy up everything and go and reset the light from the computer, and I'm going to start the car. P0303, cylinder number 3 misfire detected. Cylinder number 3 misfire detected. I done the repair. I changed the coil pack, spark plugs, and ignition leads. Then after that, I'm going to press no, again no, clear codes. Press yes, yes, codes cleared. I'm going to switch off again and going to start the car. Now we start. You can see as it is at the dashboard, no any fault code. This one for the open doors, this one for parking brake. It will go when I release the parking brake. Yeah, another successful jobs. If you have a like this code, you need to follow this step. You will be fine 80%. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. See you with another video.